To derive this equation, I have used kinetic theory of gases of thermodynamics, and that equation is 1/2 mv square is equal to 3 by 2 k beta T. This equation is nothing but definition of temperature, that is average kinetic energy. If we simplify this equation, for instance, if I multiply numerator and denominator of this equation, left hand side, we can have equation number 2, that is P square over 2 m is equal to k beta T. Here, instead of 3 degrees of freedom, I have considered only 1 degrees of freedom. That's why left hand sides 1 by 2 and right hand sides 3 by 2 are eliminated. Thereafter, if I multiply square of radius to left hand side and right hand side, I can have equation number 3, that is r square p square is equal to k beta T mr square. In classical mechanics, in rotational motion, angular momentum is defined as product of radius and momentum. It means L square is equal to r square, p square is equal to k beta T mr square. So if we consider Bohr's hypothesis for angular momentum, classical mechanics will make transition into quantum mechanics. That's why we have equation that is L square is equal to n square, h cut square is equal to k beta T mr square. Suppose if we consider spin network, which is useful to create background independent quantum gravity theory and which has been given by Roger Penrose, then we can have this equation, that is J square is equal to n square h cut square is equal to k beta T p L p square mp. Because we are using spin network, that's why quantum mechanics will make transition into quantum gravity. Another thing is, I have replaced angular momentum L by capital J, because in quantum gravity using spin network, direction is priori unknown or Z value is priori unknown. So we can neglect L and we can use total angular momentum J. That's why we can have this equation. If we consider integer n is equal to 1 in this equation, we can have final equation, that is reduced Planck constant, that is h cut is equal to square root of k beta T p L p square mp. Here in the subscript of temperature, mass and length or radius, I have used capital P, which shows Planck units. So I have obtained this novel formula for h cut.